Hi guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing my Christmas gift haul for 2018. So this is all the things that my family bought me for Christmas. I have mostly from the Traveler's Notebook online, but I have a few things from Spotlight as well. So I'm going to show you everything I got. So I'm going to show you what I got from Spotlight first because that is the sort of smaller portion of the haul. So I got 4 packs of thickers to start with. These two were full price, so I got the beautiful thickers and they are gold glitter, so pretty. So these aren't alphas, these are sort of phrases and shapes. There you go, beautiful script titles. I am a bit of a sucker for gold glitter, so those were given. Then I got the Sunny alphas. So these are a white, I don't know if you can see, but they're a glitter. Can you see the glitter on camera there? Hopefully you can. But I just thought these were nice and versatile, and the glitter is really pretty and subtle. And then these two were both on clearance. So I grabbed them, they were $5 a pack, which I thought was a bargain. So this is the Scene chipboard letters, and they're like a cork, which is pretty cool. And then these are the It's a Boy ones, and they're definitely not like boy specific, they're just white with like a pale blue line through them. So I thought these were lovely. And a few other things that were on clearance. I got this Heidi Swapp Colour Shine in Coral, so this was down to I think $5. I have tested that out already, it is very pretty. And then I got some of these little fundamentals for card making. So I got the little embossed tags, these were both on clearance as well. They're 24 embossed little teeny tiny tags, and then these tiny little mini doilies. I thought they were super cute. And the last thing I got from Spotlight was this Semco pearlescent paint set. So this was 100% an impulse buy. I saw these on the end cap of an aisle and I think they were $5, something like that, really cheap. So I just grabbed them. They look quite pearly in the pots, kind of hard to see on camera, but I haven't swatched any of these yet. It's still in the plastic actually, so definitely going to have a bit of a play with these and see how they go. Mainly got these just for a bit of variety in my mixed media for my scrapbook layout backgrounds. Okay, moving on to my Traveler's Notebook online order. I am on the design team for the Traveler's Notebook online, but all this was purchased by me with my own money because it was stuff I wanted. So I do have 10% off. If you are interested in checking the description box, you can use the code DTDanny for 10% off store-wide, excluding a couple of items. Okay, so first thing I got is my new TN for next year. This is going to be my everyday planner, and it's the Webster's Pages Color Crush Buffalo Plaid Traveler's Notebook in pocket size. How cute is this little baby? Super cute. Oh, I love it. It's so little. So I have been a personal size for the past 12 months actually, consistently, but I'm finding that I am leaving it at home a lot because it gets quite bulky and heavy and I don't want to take it in my bag. So I thought I would downsize slightly. So I grabbed this one, a little bit smaller, and yeah, so it's this beautiful buffalo plaid on the outside. Love that. And then on the inside we have these pockets in white, then we have inside the pocket is a pink floral. Can you see that? Gorgeous. And then right on the very inside is this beautiful caramel brown. Very pretty. I love that touch of floral, it just makes it so pretty. And it does come with one blank pocket-sized notebook that I probably won't use. I have my inserts planned out for the rest of the year, so definitely keep an eye out for a new planner set up shortly. Okay, next up I have a couple of sticker kits. So we have the back to school kit and the retro summer kit. If you weren't aware that the Traveler's Notebook does weekly sticker kits for planners, definitely go check them out because they do nice big sticker kits, and you can get 10% off these as well using my design team code. So there's your headers and some boxes. You get these nice long sidebar stickers, lots of habit trackers and some more headers there. Little things and some washi strips and some more functional items down here. Some full boxes and some sort of like 1/3 boxes. Headers, lots of icons, lots of functional sort of appointment, bill due. Some Afterpay stickers here, which is nice, and some flags. checklists and some more headers, bottom washi, another full box weekend banner, and some cute little decorative pieces down there. Then we have numbers and date covers, eye appointment sticker, that's cute, and some just decorative items there. So that's that one. Then this one is retro summer, so very similar sort of format. I love the art in this one, and it is summertime in Australia right now, so if you're Aussie or in the Southern Hemisphere, this is perfect for the next couple of months. And if you're in the Northern Hemisphere, oh, look at that surfboard, that's so cute. Yeah, if you're in the Northern Hemisphere, I definitely recommend picking this up for the summer, which will be upon you before you know it. And that's it. I love that one. Very excited to use that. Okay, next up I have quite a few items from the Cocoa Vanilla Studio More Than Words collection. Now this collection is quite old now. It's almost a year old, I'm pretty sure. They've come out with a couple of collections since, but every time I see this in the store, I love the florals and the soft colors, and I keep telling myself, oh, I should get that before it disappears forever. Their newer collection, Midnight, was the other one I was tossing up between getting, but I sort of thought this one was newer, so I'm going to grab as much of this as I possibly can before it goes. So they had already sold out of a couple of things, and I think most of the shops that stock this are out. So if you are after this collection, I would suggest go and get it now from the Traveler's Notebook, because they still have some items left, and yeah, it's not that easy to find anymore. So I'll start with some of the smaller things I got. So I really wanted the die cut ephemera, but that is completely gone, completely sold out, so I missed out on that. But I did get the vellum accents, so these are like die cut vellum floral ephemera, absolutely stunning. So I'm not going to completely empty this because I'm sitting on my bed at the moment and I don't want to make a mess, but look how pretty, these little vellum, oh, they're just so pretty. Can't wait to use those. Putting them away before they get damaged. Can't wait to get stuck into these. And then I also got the enamel dots, which are not just dots, you also get these little hearts as well. Very, very pretty. And then of course I wanted the flare, but they didn't have them, so I got the Midnight ones instead. But their colors are quite similar, so I am pretty confident I can use these. Zoom out. Next I have the chipboard titles. And these are just large, sort of charcoal grey chipboard titles. They don't look as nice as they should on the sheet because they have that sort of overflow colour, but once they're punched out they look really beautiful, so definitely had to grab those. And then I grabbed the chipboard stickers. How pretty. Oh, they're just so pretty. Love those big titles, the butterflies, the florals. Turn it on the side, my tripod's in the way. Love, love, love that. So pretty, can't wait to use it. And then here I have the collection kit. So this comes with 18 double-sided pattern papers and sticker sheets. So let's pull this out. So there's the sticker sheet. There we go. And then lots of little word stickers at the bottom. Lovely. Okay, let's have a look at these papers. We have the floral and the wood grain on the back. Love that floral so much. Then this beautiful black and white script. How gorgeous is this paper? I love, love, love that. And then the other side is this soft pink ledger paper. Then we have this beautiful butterfly paper that is just crying out to be fussy cut. Super, super pretty. And then the other side is a black with white sort of leaves all over it. Okay, we have a sort of cut apart journal sheet. Can't wait to cut out those butterflies. And just some sort of journals, card sized pieces, good for project life. And then the other side is a beautiful soft blue with white polka dots, really nice to make a background with. Next paper is this beautiful watercolor circles. I absolutely love this one. How pretty is that? And then the other side is a plain grey and white chevron. Again, really good for background. Here we have another sheet with journal card size 3x4 cards on there that you can cut apart. Love these butterflies. A lot of this is begging to be fussy cut. How beautiful are these elements? Really nice if you're going to do Project Life, but also really nice if you just like to fussy cut like me. And then we have a nice soft watercolor blue with paler white stripes running through. Really, really beautiful background paper. Very, very pretty, delicate floral on white background. Absolutely gorgeous. And then our beautiful pink watercolor. Love that. And almost through, we have this brushstroke paper. Very pretty. And then, oh, white with a little black speckles all over it. This may be my favorite paper out of the whole pack. Weirdly, as weird as that sounds, it's very plain, but just what a pretty simple backdrop for all these beautiful pattern papers. It's going to be so nice. And then last but certainly not least, beautiful sketchy florals with soft watercolor throughout. Absolutely gorgeous. Can't wait to fussy cut this sheet apart. And then the other side is this lovely peach little brushstroke paper. Very nice background again. And that's everything from that kit. Next, this is the last thing I have, but it's quite a large item, so yeah, it's going to take a little while to get through this. This is the Simple Stories Collector's Essential Kit, and it's the Little Dude collection. So I have a little boy and a little girl, and that Cocoa Vanilla collection is very floral. So I sort of thought I would get one that was a little bit more boyish, masculine. Not that it really matters, but I just wanted a bit of a bolder collection, I suppose. So with this, you get 8 sheets of double-sided paper, and then you get 4 sheets of the signature element pieces. So basically just cut apart papers. You get a 12 by 12 cardstock stickers, you get puffy stickers, bits and pieces die cuts, and chipboard stickers. So there's a lot in this little pack, and these are quite reasonably priced as well. So definitely go check this out if you're interested in a scrapbooking kit. The Simple Stories ones are really good, and the Traveler's Notebook Online has quite a few. I had real trouble deciding between them. So I'm definitely going to be going back and getting more of these. So let's have a look. These are all the bits and pieces on the top. So puffy stickers to start with. Lots of really cute little boy and like childhood bits and pieces. Double-sided too. I love this little French Bulldog or Boston Terrier. I'm not sure what the difference is, to be honest. And then we have the bits and pieces. So I'll try and show you these as best I can without making too much of a mess. There we go, little robots, some cute little phrases, little banner pieces, speech bubbles, little books, some more phrases. There's lots in here. It's a boy thing, let the world hear you roar, little Mr. Superstar, little dog, that's cute. Dinosaurs, which really sort of sold it for me on this collection because my son's very into dinosaurs. Little cars, more little phrases, little stars, little bits and pieces like arrows and Rubik's cubes and more banners. So much in here. Little bits and pieces, little stars. I really like the stars, frames, and some sort of bigger pieces. So there we go. Very, very cute. I'm just going to leave those in there for now and put them away later. Alright, next we have the chipboard stickers, and there's plenty on that sheet. Again, very similar to the die cuts. So there we go. Love the dump trucks too. And then the sticker sheet, so there's lots and lots on there, and then you have all these little phrases down the bottom which are really cute, and I like these tabs as well. Okay, let's get into the papers. So the first one is a beautiful white and orange geometric, and then a 4x6 journal card sheet on the back. Then we have this triangular pattern on this side, and then the other side is 4x4 journal cards. Very cute. Some diamonds on a white background. Lots of colourful, bold designs in this kit. This is the 3x4 journal cards sheet. So when it says 4 element papers, this is what it's talking about. So you really get 12 papers in here. Really nice golden sort of mustard and white pattern there. And then you get 2x2 elements. These are really cute. These are super cute. Oh, I'm gonna struggle because I really like that mustard. A lovely teal and white stripe. There's actually a bit of a sort of type written pattern floating around in the background there. Can you see that? Beautiful. And other side is this beautiful bunting, kind of screaming to be fussy cut. I might cut that apart, I might not. So hard to decide. Then we have this blue sort of grid pattern and lots of bits and pieces on the back there. Love this one. It's a white with black or very dark grey crosses all over it. Really, really love that one. And then a very bright rainbow stripe on the other side. We have this one. It's like a cream white, not fully white, and lots of black arrows all over it. And then rainbow circles on the other side, and that has that sort of typecast text floating around the background as well. Black and white buffalo plaid. This is gorgeous. I love this so much. I can't wait to use this one. And then this is just a bunch of speech bubbles. Very, very cute. Blue and white crosses. I really like this one as a background. Can't wait to get using these. And then a black and white stripe, again with that typecast sort of faded into the background. Orange and white geometric. I love oranges for boys layouts. And then this is sort of little tents all over it. Good for camping. And then this one, oh, you're going to be able to see the pattern, I hope so. It's a lime green with these really cute little sketchy arrows all over it, sort of chevrons. And then the other side is these circular elements. Absolutely beautiful. And that's everything. So such a big full kit. I'm going to be able to create so many layouts with this kit. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to check the description box for all the links and discount codes, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.